Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can configure public key and private key based authentication for SSH access. So in my case, I have installed a Cisco CSR 1000 series router because in Cisco's 72000 series routers, some commands does not support, right? That's why I have installed this Cisco CSR 1000 series router, right? So in order to configure public key and private key based authentication in Cisco router, so first you need to download public PuTTY key generator tool, right? So in my case, I have already installed this application PuTTY key generator. From here. I will generate public and private key, right? So I will configure public key inside the inside the Cisco router. Then I'll access this Cisco router through SSH, right? So let's go to the router, right? So I interface brief. So as you can see that interface IP address is already configured, that is getting from DSCP server. So let me check whether this IP address is reachable from my physical machine or not. First, I have to verify proper connectivity, right? So I'm getting the request, right? So let's go to the Cisco router, enable, right? Admin. So first I have to configure what host name, right? Let's suppose R1, right? I will configure enable password, right? Enable password would be admin, right? Then I can configure IP domain name cisco.com, right? Crypto key generate RSA, right? 2048. Okay. IP says IP search version 2. I will enable here. Then line VTY 024 login local transport input SSS, right? Legit. Now I have to configure IP SS, right? Then I here enter here public key chain, right? Enter. Then I have to configure here username. Username I use hello, right? Then enter. Now I have to use key string, right? Key string. So now I have to generate public key and private key from the PuTTY key generator. So generate from here. So as you can see that here it is saying that please generate some random key by moving the mouse over the blank area. Just click here and there, then public key will be automatically generated. So now public key and private key has been generated. So I will save this public key, right? Let's suppose I'll create here one folder, right? Yes, I will use here, right? I here public key, right? I will also say private key as private key, right? Now I have to go to document folder. So as you can see that public key has been saved here. Just open it. So copy this public key, right? Go to putty and paste here, right? Now exit from the CLI. Now I will use one putty session, right? So first go to the put enter here IP address, let it show IP interface B. So I copied this IP address and go to the putty. Connection, go to SS, right? Sulfur credential, right? Here you have to add that public IP, sorry, private IP, right? So as you can see that here it is saying add private key for authentication, right? Go to data and enter here username, hello that I have configured, and enter here IP address, take session. So go to session and here enter IP address. So now, as you can see that as soon as you connect, right, you entered in new prompt, right? Enter here, enable password admin that I configured. Let me check the password what I had configured. I forget the password. Let me remember password. Successful. Let me change it. Admin, right? Now go to the SS session. Here, type admin. So as you can see that I'm able to access. So yes, right. So as you can see that here, so running configure. Here you cannot see I haven't configured any username and password here, right? So public key is there. So as you can see that this public key, right? So thanks for watching this video. That's how you can configure public key and private key based authentication in Cisco router.